As HCN visited the Panjim fish market, it was revealed that fish vendors would heap a measure, locally called a vanto, on a metallic plate which is then tapped gently from below, causing the original content to diminish as compared to the original amount. It was also witnessed that vendors would add amount of water into the measure to increase the weight, which in turn diminishes the amount of the final weight.
वाटो तेंच्यानी कोणाकडे किलानी हाडटा पाटे घालून विकता
ओके सो डायरेक्ट
300 किलो
डायरेक्ट जर प्लेट आली जाल्यार चड वयता न्हू
हय प्लाटान करपा येना वाटो म्हणटा सकयल घालून वाटो करपा जाय
They are clearly cheating us because making the plate very bigger when showing it, and the quantity is very low. It's very less compared to when we get in the kgs. And when we say the weighing also, I think the quantity is very less when we have seen. See, lot of water content is there.
What's
Yes. They say no, this is our trade. What we have been carrying on for so many years now. So this trend has to be changed, where the consumer or the customer has to be taken care of. And when we go to ask them, then they start quarreling and abusing words and all that.
It was also noticed by the HCN team that the vendors purposely kept the weighing machine behind, thus tempering the customer's view from front. While one fish vendor directly said that these metallic plates are tapped from below as the quantity will decrease, thus we can make more money, and also mentioned plate tempering has been going on since many years now.
जो पत्थर वाले हम पहला यूज़ करते थे उसमें हमको ये 20, 25, 30 ग्राम का नहीं आता था हिसाब किधर 50 ग्राम तक लास्ट था वही उसका वेट लास्ट 50 ग्राम्स था। जो ये मशीन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक है उसमें ईच एंड एवरी ग्राम्स का पैसा मिलता है अपने, इसलिए ये हमको 4 पैसा मिलता है इसमें हमको। और कस्टमर को क्या है, कस्टमर का भी अच्छा होता है ना, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन होता है ना, उसमें कुछ डाउट नहीं रहता।
इसमें कुछ बांधड़ी नहीं कर सकते,
इसमें कैसे बांधगड़ी कर सकते?
और वो मच्छी का जो वाटा रहता है ना,
ओके,
उसमें
वो थपटा के ऊपर ऊंचा करते हैं ना।
आपको क्या लगता है?
वो तो सच बोले तो नहीं करना चाहिए, ये कैसा सही रहेगा? कस्टमर को इतना दिखता है और मिलता है इतना, ऐसा क्या होता है? ये सही है नहीं ना।
आपने कभी मच्छी लाने गए और आपने कभी बताया उनको बाबा ये गलत है बोलकर?
वो लोग हमको ही शानपन बोलते हैं, अभी क्या बोलने का, मच्छी वालों के मुंह को लगना ही नहीं ना।
Anytime you have told them to give in a proper way?
We told them so many times, but they are least bothered. They said you want to take, otherwise you go away from here.
How the language they are using?
Very rough language.
Legal metrology officer Nitin Purushan stated that regular routine checks are carried out at the Panjim market and that 90 to 95% of the weighing machines are verified. As per the data furnished, it was also revealed that in the past 2.5 years, there have been a decrease in cheating cases as the weighing machines have gone full digital. But on the other side, the Vanto system is still cheating a large number of people.
Once in 365 days. And mechanical instrument like counter scale, beam scale, that is once in 24 months. Vanto system basically it is आमचे एकटान ना न्ही, आमचे weights and measures. What is dealing with weights and measures?
They measure and Vato measure and
No, Vato is not recognized न्ही. आमचे basically metric system, kilogram, gram, milligram, that system. लीटर, मिलीलीटर, बाकीचे ते लागना आमकां.
Bureau Report, HCN.